Richard, you're on the owner stand here at EMO, the Iris machine. It's some machine, isn't it? This is what they're known for.
Yeah, this is ONA's new Iris range of machines, Die Sinking EDM. So this is the smallest machine in the range, which is 600 by 400 XY travel, and the range goes up to 3 meters in the X by 1500 in the Y. So massive range of machines with very large machines available.
Why are they so popular? These are seen a lot around the world, really. Why is it? It's not just because they're big machines, there's other big machines.
Yeah, one of the key components for ONA is their generator. It's a fully digital generator, giving you infinite control over it, so you can optimize it for a wide range of applications and materials. The generator is available to up to 400 amps as well for larger workpieces.
Mm-hmm. And how about the filter side of things? I know there's big advantages there also.
Yes, ONA's ecological long life filter system gives customers more than 10,000 hours maintenance free. You don't have to buy filter cartridges ever, so massive cost saving, and also environmentally massive saving in terms of CO2 emissions.
I can't help but notice this beautiful new control as well, with this digital representation of essentially what's going on in there, but maybe you can give us a bit more detail.
Yeah, so this is ONA's new Iris control. It features a very powerful graphics engine which enables you to import 3D models and generate simulations from that. The machine will show exactly where the machine is during the erosion process via a 3D simulation. And you can simulate a job prior to carrying it out, so you don't have to dry run on the machine. You can simulate on the control to check for collisions, any inaccuracies or misplacement of cavities.
What are the advantages? Clearly on this machine we can pretty much see what's going on, but obviously as we scale through these larger machines there's going to be a challenge. As they get wider they get taller, don't they? So is that the only advantage when you can't see in the machine?
Yeah, it's definitely an advantage because you can see where in the erosion process you are, what cavity you're sparking very clearly in a graphical representation.
Ibon, the new control, very impressive, very powerful. Can you tell us some of the features, please?
Okay, we are introducing in this demo our new CNC. This is the first CNC which is displaying the graphical representation of the electrodes and the pieces you are doing. This is helping our customers just feeling more safe or feeling more control about the parts they are putting on the machine. For example, in the exhibition we are showing this part, which is a part from the aerospace industry, but one of our main targets or one of our best features of the CNC, it's in the mold industry. For example, here have a look of one example of one mold where with a post-processor from any cam, the machine just receiving one test file, the machine can create and can simulate the electrodes and the part that you are going to put in the machine. This is helpful because traditionally these machines, it was not possible to see what you were doing because the parts, they are covered by oil, dirty oil and so on. Now we have the possibility of making one graphical representation of the part and to have the control of our tools, where is their position and what are they doing.
This is fantastic. It's almost like a digital twin, but how does that help the actual programming of it, importing files? Does it help the programming element as well?
The main target of this CNC is to avoid the human error. So the programmer or the CAD-CAM programmer will create the electrode files, will create the strategies from the CAM system, and then the CAM system with a proper post-processor will send the information to the machine with no error, because the programmation in front of the machine will not be necessary. It will be done everything from the computer. Here the operator just need to put the parts in the correct position, put the electrodes in the correct position, and check that the electrodes and so on, they are in the...
So how does that help electro and potential electrode wear?
Okay, this is apart from the new CNC, we have our new generator, which is the QX generator. It is called zero wear generator because we control digitally this part, avoiding unexpected increase of intensities and so on. So we have the best rates of wear of the market, and this is more or less what I can tell you about this.